Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Ninth Limb Yoga YouTube channel. I'm Yogi Chris, aka Chris DeVilbus. And the Ninth Limb of Yoga is really centralized around communication. But there's many other offerings here. I have hundreds of videos and they're organized into playlists that will make it easier for you to navigate. If you're looking for yoga classes, I got those. If you're looking to learn sequences of yoga poses, I got those. At pranayama guides, you know how to breathe, to open and close your blood vessels. I have those. I have many lecture clips for my online program. That's a private program, but you get some of the gold nuggets. I have many podcast episodes posted. I have interviews with people posted. I have just general philosophy, even some of my business ideas. As I travel the country, I've called thousands of yoga studios and I've taught in dozens of states. And so definitely I look forward to seeing you on your favorite videos. Comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button now, and I'll see you soon. Namaste.